Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all the doubts. Nothing is more useful than silence. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matters. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. Take sides. Neutrality helps the oppressor, never the victim. In the end we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. If you are silent, be silent out of love. If you speak, speak out of love. When the eagles are silent, the parrots begin to jabber. Better remain silent, not even think, if you are not prepared to act. Learn to remain silent, let your quiet mind listen and absorb. When the wisdom speaks, be silent. Do not waste your candle when the sun is there. I swore never to be silent whenever and wherever human beings endure suffering and humiliation. True silence is the rest of mind, and is to spirit what sleep is to the body, nourishment and refreshment. Be silent in a group of people, see what they reveal to you. Silence is the speech of love, the music of the spheres above. Silence is one of the hardest arguments to refute. Never trust a friend who is silent about your flaws. Silence is golden when you can't think of a good answer. Be silent, only the hands of God can remove the burdens of your heart.